Are you scared? In this video, guys, I'm going to show you a couple key levels of support I'm looking at. I did close out of my BTC short today from the top. And I'm going to show you a couple areas of interest for me. Guys, just when everyone thought BTC solidified 100K with these daily closes, we are back underneath 100K. Are you surprised? Are you surprised? Had a 10% dump, 11% dump from the top and counting. I'm show you a couple key levels today, guys. But that's just the way she goes, guys. It's been a while since you heard my beautiful voice sing this song, and let's do it to him. There she goes. There Bitcoin goes again. Da-da-da. Yeah. Ooh, it feels good. It feels good. I don't think this dump's going to last forever, guys. Let's get into it. Again, I closed out of my short. I'm not in any positions right now. Tried a couple longs at some fib levels down here. Got stopped out today. And I'm letting this play out. I'm going to show you some important levels, though. All right. I'm also going to show you an extremely bearish count here, mostly on the ETH chart. And it could, you know, if it happens on ETH, obviously BTC would be dumping as well. So I'll show you that just to be aware of it. Keep it in the back of your mind. I know a lot of you think it all can never happen, but I'm here to tell you it can. So let's go on to the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and examine this structure. We shorted the top here. I tried to short here as well, guys. I got stopped out of that one, obviously. But the whole structure on the way up was looking quite choppy. It was looking corrective. And I was expecting an impulsive leg to the downside here. Just looking at the Elliott wave structure up here. If you guys want to learn Elliott wave, I do have a free course, a free boot camp. It's in the free Discord, pinned in the first comment down below. Join the free Discord. And then right here, you'll see free course. If you want to learn Elliott wave, take the free course right there. It's like a 3-hour boot camp. Kind of gives you an overview of how I trade. But it looked like a flat here, guys. There's a couple different variations, but the one I'm going to show you, the main one I'm interested in, is a flat down, correction up for B, and then impulsive leg down for C. Where this ends, we're going to go over that right now. Also, you can say, hey, this is a flat right here. Couple variations, similar targets, but those two wave structures, it was why I was so bearish up here and looking for this move down. Similar structure up in here as well. It just decided to creep up towards 110. These are moves I love to be in because it's a nice, quick, fast, impulsive wave to the downside. You get paid super quick and you can get the hell out of there, right? Now, if this is a flat right here, I would consider this a finished fifth wave, right? Looking at the daily, you guys, I want to bring this to your attention. Daily RSI has actually busted to the downside. That's important. That's key. Do we get a retest of that? Do we get a retest of that breakdown? In my opinion, most likely. I'm going to show you what that's going to look like here. I'm going to show you what that's going to look like for the possibility of 130K, 140 getting hit on BTC. I need a full daily RSI reset, guys. I need this thing to come all the way down. So, long story short, on a retest of this trend line on RSI, I would expect price, if we could find bottom here, we're gonna go close up. I'm gonna show you these support levels to come and hit the high one more time, retest this RSI breakdown, and then we can come to the downside and correct on a larger degree, a more substantial correction, something like that. At that point, once we do have RSI fully reset on the daily, we can come up to 130, 120, 130, 140. But I'm not expecting those targets yet. And I'm really cautious. Because this obviously has the potential to seriously dump. All right. Now, let's take a look at our support levels that I'm interested in. Before we do that, guys, once you're in the free Discord, if you want access to the premium channels, all my alerts, all my setups I'm getting in, we do live streams. I have 24/7 live Elliott wave charts. Just click upgrade here. The WAP link is right there, and you can check it all out if you're interested in it. I do have premium Discord. Also, if you want to give Blowfin a try, this is what we trade on. They are no KYC. You don't need a VPN in most states in the U.S., but they're available. You can use it in the United States and Canada. There is, pinned in the first comment down below, a link, or use code ChartJunkies, and you will get, in addition to the already existing bonuses, you will get 1,500 USDT airdropped into your account, which is the value of an iPhone 16. They'll airdrop the 1,500 USDT into your account. Read the requirements. Take advantage of that. It only has till the 22nd. You got a couple days left on this promotion. All right. Take advantage of that now. Pin in the first comment down below and give them a try. Now, what I'm going to do here, just going to set on a 30-minute time frame. I'm going to map out. We have an ABC here that it could possibly be. There's nothing wrong with it. And then we have a very complex flat here. These are both flats, not just ABCs. They're both flats, right? Making different colors. These are the two variations I'm really looking at. Now, for the green variation, we need BTC to bounce right here. We're at the 1618 box, measuring the fibs. We're here. We need to find support in here for the green option to work out. I'm not rushing into a long. I'm not aping into a long here. I'm not trying to just catch these bottoms. I would expect some consolidation. Probably not going to catch bottom perfectly, but I'm waiting until I see reaction before I press the long button here. There is potential for more of a dump. This is my first area of interest. I did try taking some longs here today. It obviously didn't work out. Just little stabs, no problem, right? Letting the dust settle. Hopefully, we find some support in here. The next flat, which was this one right here, we have leaked past the 1-to-1. You guys know I love that target. The 1618 box is just a little bit further down. Just a little bit further down. As you can see, it's a very, very large area that we can find support in. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not rushing into this, but I am really keen on finding support in here. This major trend line here has broken on price. That's key, but was to be expected. I was waiting for that trend line to break and suck in some liquidity. No problem. I think at this point, everyone's hearts are starting to drop a little bit. They think top is in, some type of top is in. And I can see a lot of people selling their spot positions here just with this little move, right? I do think another push to the upside is coming. I don't think it's going to be a blow off top, but I think another push to the upside is coming. And if we don't find support in here at these levels, I'm going to show you an account that can be scary to some, but overall it's extremely bullish. Overall it's extremely bullish. Real quick before we do that, let's go smaller time frame in here. I need 5 ways to finish. I need 5 ways to finish. Up here is pretty much junk, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But I can see, 1, 2, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we wave out and have another hit lower. I would be looking for a break of this trend line. That would signify at least a wave 4, and then maybe one more low into wave 5, right? Like I said, there's going to be, for me, I don't think a V-shaped recovery is coming. You would love to see it, but that's just not what I'm playing. I'm being patient and waiting for a good setup. And I'm just happy. I wasn't trying to long the top here and wasn't trying to long this. Now I'm happy I caught the short on this massive dump to the downside, right? So I'm just kind of satisfied with that right now, and I'm not going to push it and try to overtrade. Now, the scary count that I wanted to speak with you guys about is really we're going to start on the Ethereum chart. Let me go to something with a little more price history. And I was looking at this count for a while, guys, and just Ethereum kept pushing up and up and up, right? But it's still lingering in the back of my mind where we have a correction down from this top. This looks to be a correction up. I mean, this wave down is nasty, guys. This is a deep cut right here on Ethereum. Ethereum, honestly, is scaring me right now the way it's looking. But this is looking very corrective to the upside. Took out the high. Could we be in the middle of a flat correction? Now, this is a mega dump, but what we just experienced here, it's almost halfway down on that dump. We almost hit that halfway already on this dump that we just experienced the past couple days. I mean, that's a nasty dump from the top. How much was the percentage drop on this? 18% from the top there on Ethereum, right? It's brutal. So we're almost halfway there. What's this little bit more? What would that look like on BTC? You know, again, I'm gonna draw this out. This is an ABC flat correction. The chart's a little messy. Bear with me. On log scale, I was really looking at something like this on ETH. Kind of sticking with this channel. We can have a quick break of the channel, no problem. But something like this on ETH would be amazing. So overall, it's bullish in the long run, and it would give you a serious opportunity to buy down here. If BTC was to give you a similar move, I would look at this whole thing as a flat, some type of extended AF ABC. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. Extended AF right there. But it can happen, guys. In the 1-to-1, I mean, that's close enough. I wouldn't be surprised if BTC's impulsive leg to the downside only gets you right there to like 82K, and then Ethereum dumps you all the way down to 2,300, down sub 2K even. It can do that. It can do that. This is something I'm very aware of. I don't think it's out of the realm of possibilities. I am very level-headed and understand where the market and where price can go for BTC. If this move is, boom, finished right there, and it can even come down to these lower fib targets right here, very bullish for BTC. Very bullish. Overall, very bullish, but it would be short-term scary as hell. So just something I wanted to bring to your guys' attention. We will see what price action brings tomorrow. Hopefully we do find support up in here, though. I want to keep playing these ups and downs as a trader. I love this stuff. Let's take this thing back up. Let's find some support. I will be traveling this weekend, guys, for the holidays. I don't know how many videos I'm going to post. Definitely this weekend I will get one up. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll see you guys over in Discord. I'll see you over on Blowfin. Trade safe, everyone. I love you.